Hello kids, welcome to our phonics lesson. Today we're going to learn about the Y sound that makes the E sound. The E sound. This sound is found in words like D-A-L-E, dolly, J-A-L-E, jelly, B-A-L-E, belly. Let's practice the sound E. E, E, E. Now we're going to learn the Y sound that makes the I sound. This sound is found in words like cry, cry, try, try, fly, fly. You've just learned a new sound that will help you spell and read even more words. Keep practicing the E and I sound, and you'll be able to read words like jelly and fly with ease. Thanks for watching and have fun learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Learn English with Mrs. Rachel. See you next time. Bye.